Splish splash, I'm taking a very cold bath. In a big old bathtub. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, it's cold. It was sunny, and as soon as I went to come out here, the clouds came. So it feels a lot colder than it really is, probably. Oh gosh, it's freezing. Wow, my feet. So you can see whitecaps way out there. And this is where I'm going to try to duck my goodies here. Although it's hard to do with one hand. Ouch! Fly biting my butt. So first I'll shampoo up. There we go. Oh boy, it's always the hard part. Oh, ooh la la, it's colder than yesterday. Oh boy, I don't know if I want to go swimming today. Yesterday it wasn't too bad swimming, and today I feel a lot colder because it's cloudy. So I don't know about that. Ouch! Biting flies. Biting me. They're hungry. So let me finish up here.